Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. Today we have for sale is a 2004 115 Optimax Mercury 25-inch. It's actually set up for tiller right now. You can take that off and set it up for remote. It says hydraulic steering. It does not have hydraulic steering. Fresh tune-up, so new plugs, new water pump impeller, fuel system's been cleaned. Ran checked, compression check. I think compression was 110 on every cylinder on it. We'll fire it up here for you, let you listen to it run. It can be converted to a 20-inch for about $250 extra. So we can put it back to a long shaft, not an extra long, and go from there. Pumps good water, as you can see. If you want it as a tiller, it's got the tilt and trim on the side here, on the front. And it also has a tilt and trim switch over here on the side. Oil fills up on the top. Freshwater Minnesota motor. I can run it up a little bit, I can't run it up all the way because it's going to change it. It's just not the same. 115. Give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email us at sales@bmr1.com. Thank you for watching another video from BMR Parts and Marine.